putting into it, which was a lot. I was hoping he could find another spot for this. Follow the buses around and did all these things, but it's not just about the environment. It's about the streets, and it's about the children and the people walking in the streets, and it's about the neighborhood. And I would ask this question, not of anyone in particular, but of everyone. Who would like a bus depot next to their house? When you find out who that is, let us know. But the bottom line is we welcome a dialogue with both cities and the developer, and I will tell everyone there has been a meeting set up for February 7th to discuss this. Now, the lawsuit will proceed between now and February 7th, and the hope is to get a hearing before a judge before then.